Now let's talk about maintenance and reliability. Lagi akong tinatanong ng mga tao, how was the maintenance? So far from what I have done with this car, kasi lagi akong regular dun sa aking PMS, it's every 6 months or every 10,000 kilometers, whichever gets first. And so far, ito yung mga napalitan ko na sa aking sasakyan. Unang-una yung brake pads, napalitan ko na yan harap at likod. Yung aking battery twice. The tires, napalitan ko na lahat, yung 4 na tires natin. Napalitan ko na rin dito yung mechanical gear, assembly steering, linkage tie rod, control arm, suspension arm, stabilizer joint, and shock mounting. All of those are not covered na ng warranty kasi 3 years lang yun. Talagang pangit yung road condition sa amin, medyo malubak. Kaya talagang maagang bumigay yung ilalim ng aking sasakyan. For other warranty replacement naman, I changed na the 48 volt battery. Palitan na natin yung ECU, yung ating cable harness, at saka yung 48 volt na battery fuse natin. Now for the maintenance, talagang parts availability is still an issue. Although ongoing naman yung efforts ni Geely Philippines na ma-resolve yun, there are decent alternatives naman sa outside ng casa. Kung kasali kayo doon sa Geely Okavango Club na official Facebook page, makikita nyo doon meron tayong mga kaibigan na nagsusupport nung mga maintenance na yon outside casa.